Today I have decided that I just want to go out with the Canon Eos and with the 24mm Wesley lens, the one that I have modified, the one that had a Sony E mount, and I just changed it into EFM mount. And yeah, I just wanted to take out and see a little bit if I have the infinitive focus and how close can I go to a subject, for example. So I wanted to see the close-up. I tested at the end to see the focus breed. It's really a promising lens. So without further ado, let me just show you the recordings that I have done it outside.